Have you ever watched a long YouTube video and wished you could just jump straight to the good part? Or maybe you're a creator who wants to make it easier for your viewers to skip to key moments. That's where the YouTube timestamp link generator comes in your new best friend for quickly creating clickable timestamp links for any YouTube video. This simple, free tool lets you generate direct links to any specific moment in a YouTube video. Whether it's a funny moment, a tutorial tip or a highlight worth sharing, just paste the video URL, set the time, and boom, you've got a clickable link that jumps right to the second you choose. Let's walk through it real quick. First, copy the URL of the YouTube video you want to link to. Then, paste that link into the tool right here. Now, enter the time you want to link to hours, minutes, seconds you decide. For example, if you want to link to the 5-minute, 30-second mark, just enter 5:30. Click generate timestamp link and that's it. Your timestamp link is ready to copy and share. This tool is perfect for YouTube creators who use chapters in their videos or for anyone who wants to share the most relevant part of a video without saying skip to 2 minutes and 47 seconds. You can drop these timestamp links in your video description, pin them in a comment, or even send them to friends who don't have time to watch the whole video. Here's a bonus tip. If you're a YouTube creator, combine this with timestamps in your video chapters. Not only does it improve user experience, but it also helps with SEO and viewer retention. Win-win. So if you want to save time, make your content more clickable, and help your audience jump straight to the good stuff, try out the YouTube timestamp link generator today. Just head to the link in the description or go to youtube-thumbnail-download.org/youtube-timestamp-link-generator/ and don't forget, if you found this tool helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more awesome YouTube tools and drop a comment if you have any feature requests. Thanks for watching. Now go create better, smarter YouTube links and I'll see you in the next video.